Good morning. Today we learn the compound nouns. What is a compound noun? So you know that two words join it. है ना? See, a noun that is made up of two words compound word. Yes, a noun that is made up of two words. Okay, compound words what? A noun that is made up of two words. So two meaningful words are joined. We get a compound words. Clear? Two meaningful words are joined, we get a compound words. That is a noun that is made up of two words. A noun made up of two words. A compound words may be written as one word with a space between the words or with a dash between the words. Okay, see that one. Compound words may be written as compound words. हमेशा हम लोग को we can write a one word, maybe it the space between the two words, maybe it put a dash between the two words. Okay, but the compound words write with a one word and with a space between the words or with a hyphen between the words. For example, I given some examples of this. The first one is compound words are made with a write with a one word. One word. Compound words are write with a one word. See, what are the examples of bedroom? Bedroom. See, what is this? Bed. How we make it? Bed plus room is. So these are the two meaningful words. Okay, these are the two meaning. Any words we can't use it. We use meaningful words. Okay, bed plus room is bedroom. That is one word. Okay, and I have given some examples. Superstar. Superstar. Write a one word. How we make it? Super plus star. That is superstar. Okay, and here it is given football. Football. Okay, this is one word. We write it. These compound words are written in a one word. This we make a foot plus ball. So what are the words? Bedroom, superstar, okay, football. These are the compound words. Compound words only use one word. Okay, one word. We can write a one word. Then one word over. Next we said that it can use in a space. We put a space between the words. Okay, we put a space between the words. See, put a space. Put a space between the words. We put a space. Example. See the example. Blue whale. We put a space here. Okay, not underline. We put a space here. Blue plus whale, blue whale. आपको जानना why how we write a one word football. We don't give a space. We write one word football. But here it is. We write a what? Blue whale. We put a space here between two words. Okay, blue whale and fish tank. Fish tank. This is the compound words. And here we put a what? Space. And dining room. We put a space. Okay. These are the sunflower. Yes, sunflower, and these are the yes. These are the space between. We put a space between the words. And the last one is put a hyphen, dash. Put a dash, put a hyphen between the hyphen between the words. Okay, put a hyphen between the words. What are they? I given that hair straightener. Example. Hair hyphen straightener. Okay, hair straightener and tin opener. Tin hyphen opener. Tin opener and body warmer. Body warmer. Clear? These the compound words. So what is a compound words? Compound word nouns can be formed with a verb, adjective or another noun. See, what is a compound noun? Compound noun that is made up of two words. Compound nouns may be made up of written as one word. What is the example of one word? Sunflower. Sun plus flower. Sunflower. We write a one word. Okay. We write a compound words. We can write a one word or space between the words. That is example blue whale, and the last is put a hyphen between the words. This one hair straightener, tin opener, body warmer. We put a hyphen between the two words. Clear? And see, in a compound words we can make some adjectives and verbs. From this we can make a compound words. Here it is given. With a verb and a compound nouns can be formed with a verb, adjective or another noun. Compound word we can make with a adjective, a verb or another noun. See the with the verb. How we make a with the verb? Verbs का साथ with the verb. Verb का साथ we can make a compound noun. For example, see, dining room. Okay, dining room. And sleeping bag. These are what? Verb. Dining and sleeping bed. Okay, sleeping bed. Washing machine. Washing machine. Washing machine. The next one is shaving cream. Shaving cream. See the words? These are dining, sleeping, washing, shaving. These are verbs. Okay? With the verb, we can use the nouns, room, bed, machine and cream is a nouns. So we can make a, with the nouns and verbs, they can join it, we become a, will get a compound nouns. We make a compound nouns. So dining is a verb and room is a noun. So dining room is a compound word. So sleeping is verb and bed is a noun. So sleeping bed is a compound word. Washing is a verb and machine is a noun. So washing machine is a compound word. And shaving cream. Clear? So we make a compound nouns from the verb. And see, the next one is with the adjective. Adjective kasat. Some adjective words are given. Adjective. With the adjective words. Example, blue. We add the noun whale. We get a compound word blue whale. Okay. And full moon. Full is a adjective and moon is a noun. So we get a full moon compound words. Okay. And mobile phone. Mobile for. Mobile is adjective, phone is a noun, so we get a compound words mobile for. Next one is yellow fever. Yellow is a adjective. Fever is the name of a disease, so we get the compound nouns yellow fever. Okay, see, with adjective blue, full, mobile, yellow, these are adjective words, and we add some nouns, we get a compound nouns. Clear? So next one we use the verb and adjective. Then next one we use some nouns plus nouns. See, with the nouns, okay, verb over verb का साथ noun add किया, so we get a compound words. Then adjective का साथ noun add किया, we get a compound words. अभी now it is we add with the nouns. See, book club. Book is a noun, club is noun, so noun plus noun we get a compound noun. Okay, book club. And face cream. Face cream. Face cream. Face noun, cream noun. Face cream. Earlier we write the shaving cream. Shaving is a verb. We are doing the activity. Do the verb. So shaving cream is a noun, compound nouns made with a verb. But here it is face cream is made with the nouns. And fish tank. Fish tank. Both are nouns. Fish is a noun and tank is a noun. So both the nouns make a compound nouns. Clear? And last one is the table lamp. Table is a noun and lamp is a noun. So we get a compound word table lamp. Clear? This is the compound nouns. Compound nouns we join two meaningful words. Okay, we join two meaningful words. It may be a verb, it may be a adjective, it may be a other noun. Okay, compound nouns are always write in a three ways. We write in a one word, we write in a space, put a space between the two words, we put a hyphen between the two words. Clear? Okay.